Transform your favorite track into a pulsating progressive house anthem right within FL Studio 20. First, let's get our original track into FL Studio. Drag and drop your audio file directly into the playlist now. The magic of remixing begins with chopping. Right-click on the audio clip where you want to start, and select Slice at Playhead. Repeat this process to isolate key elements of the original track, a vocal snippet, a synth hook, or even a percussive hit that you want to repurpose. Once you have your chopped samples, drag them into the channel rack as new audio clips. Let's start building our new beat in the channel rack. Add a new drum sampler. We're going to create a classic progressive house kick drum. Load a solid, punchy kick sample, then add a clap or snare, usually on the second and fourth beat, and a hi-hat pattern, often with a steady 8-note or 16th note groove. Now, for the melodic side, we'll use the iconic progressive house synth sound. Add a new instance of a synthesizer like Citrus or Harmor. We're looking for a smooth, evolving pad or a plucky lead. Think about creating a simple, repeating melodic phrase or a chord progression that evokes that uplifting progressive house feel. The key is repetition and subtle variation. To give our remix that polished, dancefloor-ready sound, we need to add effects on your kick drum. Use a bit of compression to make it hit harder for your melodic elements. Try adding some reverb to create space and a touch of delay for rhythmic interest. EQ is crucial to carve out frequencies and make sure everything sits well together. Roll off some low end from your hi-hats and make space for that powerful kick. Finally, let's arrange our elements in the playlist. Start with a sparse intro building up the kick and hi-hats. Introduce your chopped vocal or synth hook, then layer in your melodic progression. Use automation clips to control filter sweeps, volume changes, and effect parameters to create those signature progressive house builds and drops. Experiment with reversing some of your chopped samples for a unique twist. And there you have it. By strategically chopping your original track, building a solid beat, crafting evocative melodies, and applying the right effects, you've transformed it into a progressive house banger that's ready to ignite any dance floor with FL Studio 20.